Also, I went and bought another Tahoe. So now I've got two Tahoes. This one is a 2015. The stock infotainment system's all right. I mean, everything works, but it's just a 2015. Bluetooth works, but it does not have CarPlay, and I must have CarPlay. Passenger side seat is okay. The driver's side seat, the padding is a little messed up, and the power mechanism is a little janky. Like when you go back and forth, you can kind of feel it stuttering, like it's just really badly worn. This console lid is pretty jacked up, so that's going to be one of the first things I fix. Here it is installed with CarPlay active. And I'm pretty happy with it. I mean, it definitely has a really cool look. That's no doubt about that. It's a little finicky. It's definitely not OEM quality. There's no doubt about that. And I've had a little bit of trouble with it. Like CarPlay worked right away, right out of the box. But then suddenly I'm driving down the road and the unit froze. And CarPlay then disconnected. CarPlay wouldn't work again. And I had to just mess with it for like a half an hour. And I somehow did get CarPlay to work again, but I don't even remember exactly what it was that I did that made it work. So, I don't know, it definitely looks awesome. I have some settings to tweak. It definitely has a lot of features. It is a full Android tablet. So it runs, you know, Netflix and the browser, and it's got cellular antennas, and it's got a SIM card slot, so you can get your own service and turn this into its own hotspot, and it'll connect to the internet by itself. So it's pretty cool for sure. It was $1,100 for the Tahoe. Oh, and one other complaint I have about it was that the installation instructions for this thing were absolutely unnecessarily convoluted and difficult. Like the instructions were terrible. And it would not have been hard at all for them to make the instructions easier to follow. They just left all sorts of information out. So I just wanted to vent a little bit about that. Like, it would have been so easy just to make the directions a little bit better. But anyway, I eventually got it to work. So rant over. Tell me what you think. Definitely looks cool. Dude, I'm so stoked. Both Denali seats have been installed, plus the console lid, and everything is looking sick. Love it.